If your trading results are all over the place, it's not the market. It's that you're entering battles with no armor, no map, and no strategy. And eventually that catches up with you. Fix Profit here, and I make videos for traders who are tired of guessing, tired of hype, tired of watching other people win while your own chart looks like a slow-motion car crash. This one's for you, especially if you've been thinking about quitting. I have implemented an AI assistant in my work that analyzes indicators in real time and gives recommendations. And here's what: you can get this bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. So the American Canadian dollar OTC, 5 minutes. Lower is a recommendation from the bot. I see fresh areas of local highs. I think an overbought momentum and a bounce off the resistance zone will help soon. Yes, the potential for bears to rise now due to favorable factors. Yes, being able to handle over-the-counter trading is a huge advantage of my robot because it gives me the ability to get its analytics even when the exchanges are asleep, on holidays, weekends, at night. Friends, to not miss new useful content, click on subscribe to channel and on the bell. Like and comment. We need your feedback. Now, I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. Only traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video to join us. In this course, I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I share my experience. It is not financial advice. I show how I do it. When I started out, I didn't understand one thing. The market doesn't care how smart you are. It cares how disciplined you are. I'd enter trades based on gut feeling. Sometimes I'd win, sometimes I'd blow up half my deposit. And every time it hurt, I told myself, I just need a better signal. But that wasn't the issue. The issue was size, structure, patience. It clicked for me the day I stopped trading like a gambler and started thinking like an analyst. The biggest mistake most people make, they treat risk management like an optional setting. They enter with 10 to 15% of their entire balance, lose twice, and wonder what went wrong. No experienced trader does that. If you're not following a strict 1 to 2% rule per trade, you're not managing risk. You're just hoping it won't go wrong. Hope is not a strategy. Here's the shift. Risk 1 to 2% per trade. Stick to currency pairs you understand. Use clear time frames. Map your levels, support, resistance, volatility zones. Track the news. Journal your entries. Most importantly, screenshot everything. When you win, when you lose. Build your own data set. That's how you see patterns. That's how you grow. Trading isn't about prediction, it's about reaction. And the faster you start measuring yourself instead of chasing outcomes, the faster you build consistency. So I did a good job with the first trade. The bot helped me not to let my guard down. My new investment is 2% out of pocket. 5 minutes. Friends, we have a group in Telegram where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, link below the video. I press the red button. The robot thinks the sellers are about to catch their momentum. I think the price will soon move up a bit, after which it will bounce off the resistance zone. I think the seller's advantage will build up gradually. Folks, we help with education. To chat about education, write our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with education for all participants. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. Now, if all of this feels like a lot, there's a reason. You're trying to see the whole picture, but the chart moves faster than your mind can catch up. That's where my Signal Assistant comes in. It helps you filter out the noise, highlights clear setups based on proven structures, and gives you space to focus on execution, not overthinking. You stay in control. You decide when to enter, how much to risk, when to stop. The assistant just helps you see things sooner and more clearly. Right now, it's completely free, and if you get it this month, it's yours forever. Next month, it goes behind a paywall. Links in the description. Don't wait. Let me give you a real example. I got a signal on USD CAD, checked the zone, market was consolidating, clear breakout pattern forming. I entered with 1% of my deposit. 3 candles later, smooth exit, solid result. The tool didn't make the decision, I did, but it made the process faster, cleaner, and more confident. Here's the catch. This isn't going to stay free. We're limiting access next month. If you want to keep it, you need to claim it now. This isn't a push, it's a heads up. No link magic later, no second chances. The tool's yours, permanently, if you take it today. If this brought clarity, like the video. If you want more, subscribe, and if you're serious, check the Telegram channel. We post signals, case studies, even breakdowns of real trades. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment. How do you manage risk? What indicators are actually working for you? What percentage of your trades are planned versus impulsive? Write it out. Own your process. That's how you get better. Here's what I've learned. Most people quit not because they're bad, but because they never gave themselves time to improve. So, I finished the job. You can see my result on your screens now, friends. Get the bot for free and forever subscribe and click the bell. I'll be back to you soon with new powerful content. Bye.